opening 6 days of my fidget toy advent calendar, part 2. Monkey noodles, a pink and an orange one. Cool. Let's throw that in the box. And this is what we have so far. Same colors. Day 8. Pretty sure that's in the wrong section. Poppet tube. I love poppet tubes. The yellow one. Another yellow poppet tube. Okay. Day 9. Oh man, I love these. I keep forgetting what they're called. I think they're like keychain fidgets or whatever, but they kind of work like an infinity cube without needing the use of 2 hands. And I have tiny hands, so if I can do it with one hand, anyone can. And here's another one. Okay, I think that was 9. Yeah, 8, 9. Day 10. It's a snake. I have not had one of those yet. Like I keep saying, I'm new to fidget toys. So, there's a lot of toys I haven't tried yet. Sorry, itch. Simple Dimple. And last but not least, window number 12. A fish mochi. You, wherever you go, go back where you go. We don't need peekies. We'll find out what belongs where when we finish the calendar. Oh, it's a unicorn mochi. Cool. I love unicorns. So that's it for our 6 days of my fidget toy advent calendar. Stay tuned for next week's 6 more days. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye.